Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your Nifty NFT hardware wallet. So let me switch on the device. I'm going to tap on setup device option and scan the QR code to download the mobile app, which I have already done. So now I have to set up a PIN code to access my device. Let me pause the video here for a second. Okay, so now I have completed the PIN and now it says to open the mobile application to complete the setup process. So I'm going to hit the create a new wallet option, and now it's prompting me to generate a seed key, and now I'm going to write it down. So this is the mobile application interface. So as you can see, it is prompting me to connect my device, and once I have connected my device using Bluetooth, I have updated the firmware, and once the update is ready, then after installation you can start using your NFT hardware wallet. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.